know that plastic packaging is a serious global problem that needs tackling. In 2022, we have taken an important step in our commitment to a nature-positive food future. Our fertiliser bags now contain a minimum of 30% recycled plastic, which is a major step forward in our drive towards a more circular economy. This means that our bags can be recycled up to 9 times, and we expect this first step will replace at least 430 tonnes of plastic in the UK this year, and over time 250,000 tonnes across Europe. We are delighted to have partnered with leading global packaging specialist FPS, who have ensured that our bags continue to meet the same high standards which our farmers and distributors have come to expect. They have the same technical properties and go through the same rigorous testing procedures to ensure all certifications are met. We are in no doubt that this is the first of many steps we will take towards a more sustainable future. Yara are proud to be leading the way in our use of recycled plastic. We are at 30% now, but our ambition is to significantly increase this figure as we continue to innovate and our quest to be ever more sustainable and make greener choices feasible and accessible for our customers.
Packaging plays a hugely important role in modern society. This is no different for the agriculture sector. Above all, it needs to ensure the safety of the handler and to safeguard the product it is designed to carry. But without question, the packaging industry is changing, and it is partnerships such as this one with Yara that are driving innovation and a move towards a more sustainable future. But how do we do it? How do we ensure Yara's new, more sustainable bags meet the high standards expected of their products? Firstly, FIBCs, more commonly known as big bags, have to conform to international standards. This defines the criteria, the safety factor, the safe working load of every single FIBC and what it is able to operate within. At FPS, we have a vertically integrated operation, starting with extrusion, going through to weaving, and then through to the manufacturing process, which also includes printing and assembly. Testing is critical, not only the performance testing of the finished bags, but also the testing of the materials that are used to produce the big bags. For inner liners, the critical aspects are puncture resistance, dart drop testing, elongation, tenacity of the material, and also weld strength testing. These are all carried out at our own FPS laboratories located at our manufacturing sites, and they are a critical part of the process to ensure the big bag is performing to its needs. The outer part of the bag is made from woven polypropylene. This is made up of tapes which run in a warp and weft direction throughout the FIBC. It is critical that these tapes meet the tenacity requirements, the strength requirements, the elongation requirements to ensure that the finished big bag is performing to its requirements. These tapes are tested extensively within our process for each order and each batch of big bags that are produced. During the last 2 years, through our technical feasibility studies, we managed to develop a solution where we can provide big bags today with 30% recycled content. This has been managed by studying various waste streams around industry and in the European infrastructure. We tested many types of materials to get to the end state where we want to be. And finally, we arrived in a situation where we have a closed loop recycling scenario, where we recycle used FIBCs and use those materials to produce new FIBCs. We will continue developing our partnership with Yara, working towards a world where packaging is embedded in a circular economy and playing our part in developing a more sustainable future.